Your vehicle's cooling system plays a vital role, and a leak can be a major problem. Bars Leaks Original or Liquid should be installed in any vehicle that is low in coolant, rusted and corroded, has worn hoses, visibly leaking coolant, or for preventative maintenance. Bars Leaks Original and Liquid are complete cooling system maintenance products. Stops internal and external leaks, recirculates to prevent future leaks, prevents deposit buildup, lubricates the water pump, and inhibits rust and corrosion. Installing Bars Leaks Original or Liquid is easy. With your vehicle cold, remove the radiator cap, shake well, and pour directly into the radiator. If your car does not have direct access, pour into the top radiator hose or coolant reservoir. Reinstall the radiator cap. Start your vehicle. Turn your fan and heat on high. Then run for 15 minutes. For additional information, visit our website at www.barsgroup.com.